हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू वाईफाई लर्निंग रिसोर्स। आज हम सीखेंगे कैसे हम वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट किसी भी बाइनरी नंबर का हम शॉर्ट ट्रिक से इजीली निकाल सकते हैं। फ्रेंड्स, लेट्स say our decimal number is 10 and we want to find a ones complement of this number. So how to do it? Let's start. First, convert decimal number into binary number, that is 10. 10's binary number is 01010. This is our binary number of 10th decimal number, and we want to convert this binary number into ones complement. The short trick is just reverse the binary number, that is 0 का 1 करना है and 1 को 0 करना है. That's it. After convert all binary digit into reverse number, you got your ones complement of binary number. I hope you like this video and you understand the concept. Thanks for watching this video. Please share, support and subscribe this channel. Thank you.